Project code IT-BIO-07. Project title: Plasmodium falciparum detection in microscopic blood cell images to avoid sudden death of people from malaria. Aim of our project is to detect the malaria disease by using image processing. So in image processing, we will detect the malaria disease. So malaria disease detected by malaria disease detected from microscopic blood cell images. So malaria has four types of classification. In that, Plasmodium falciparum is severe disease. In existing system, no method to identify the malaria affected people. Drawbacks of existing system: no awareness about malaria disease, so loss of life of people due to severe malaria disease. Proposed system: method to identify the malaria affected people from microscopic blood cell images. Advantages of proposed system: so by image processing method, malaria disease identified earlier. Malaria disease identified earlier for the patient, and loss of life can be saved. So block diagram of our project. So malaria disease classification done using image processing in MATLAB software. So in MATLAB software, we will process the microscopic blood cell images to identify malaria disease, like four types. So in that, Plasmodium falciparum is a severe disease. So if the disease detected, means we have to check that patient health also. So all the classification output is given to the controller. From controller, we can show the result in LCD display, and also can update in the result in web page using IoT, and can send message about the result to the patient, and buzzer for abnormal condition, that is severe condition identified means buzzer will alarm. So that patient's health can be monitored using sensors. So heart rate, so that malaria affected person heartbeat should be checked, and temperature, body temperature also should be checked. So these are the hardware part we use in our concept. So this is the explanation of block diagram. Now we are going to check hardware explanation. Okay, now in our project we use Arduino Uno controller. It is Atmega 328P IC, 5 volt DC current, 5 volt DC operating voltage. It has one serial communication, second one LCD display, displays output. We using 16 columns and 2 rows. IoT, Internet of Things. So we use ESP8266 Wi-Fi module. So displays result in web page. GSM send message to the patient about the result. Send message to the patient. This one heart rate sensor checks patient heartbeat. Next one, temperature sensor. Temperature sensor checks the patient's body temperature. Patient body temperature. Buzzer alerts the severe disease identification. Software explanation. So Arduino controller has its own software called Arduino IDE. In this, we develop instructions for the controller to execute the output. To execute the output. Embedded C. Programming language used for microcontrollers. Third one, MATLAB. By image processing, checks the severe disease of malaria. Severe disease of malaria. So input image is given to the MATLAB software. It will process the image and check the result. So result will be the output given to the controller. Real time example. So we can check the patient malaria disease is severe or normal. Conclusion. From this proposed method, we checking the malaria disease, that is severe disease, Plasmodium falciparum. If that disease identified by the image processing method, MATLAB software, means the patient should take immediate treatment. So, if the patient affected by the Plasmodium falciparum malaria disease, patient need to take treatment immediately. Thank you.